1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so to my people where they have there this morning, I say another better good morning to you. My own name is Papa Jojo. Every fans of Wazobia, I want really encourage you this morning. Say yes, as you watch this special segment this morning, make you do waiting, fast in your bed, drink your normal cool water, then put on your trainers as you flow up this morning. If you just look at your city, I don't on the very high spirit level of fitness program. So you just do it. Try to flow up as we go. Even though not up to 100%, but just try make up at least 50 for the minimum. And if you make 70 for the maximum, as we flow with account. 1, 2, follow your count very well. 3, then don't cheat yourself. 4, try to study my foot. Then 6, 7, if you look my foot today, 8, if the return come front, 7, 6, like say I tap return, 5, 4, 3, 2, then you go face straight dimension. What will be the purpose of all this one? This one I just to help you while away your mind from the pain where you feel. Peradventure for the first time you feel they do this kind of program, or you feel they follow us up. As you follow up, then you go to look and say, how you want to do this thing? My viewer where they out there, I want to tell you say if you do them, not the way hard. Or you man does practice make perfect. And you go see say the more you practice them, the more your body go to adjust. And the more you go to get used to them. And the more you get used to them, the lesser the pain you go to experience. So just try, make her up more and more. And as you follow Papa Jojo or top Wazobia TV, Good Morning Nigeria Fitness Level. 5, 6, 7, then go back to your basic. Now that basic you'll take change, return. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then you go return, alternate according to Igbo man language. 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7. You don't change the movement of your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2. Then we go back to the knees lift now. Return. 1 to the side. 2. You follow up your count. 3, 4, 5. Now my viewers where they are out there where they watch me, where they look responsively, they take me up, they follow me up, they just try. Say at least. Might even try to meet up with the Papa Jojo they even introduced to us. Do waiting, lift your knee high. Then if possible, go, you feel lift higher than my own. So now that won't be the challenge where they there. No look the pain, but just try to see the coordinated movement we get to do with your fitness program this morning. 5, 6, 7, then 8. You return to face your straight direction. 2, 3. Your hand going to move like say they walk for street. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1. You go. 2, 3, 4. Then suspend. Yes, my people. Don't forget to say my whole name. Now the only Papa Jojo for Wazobia, Good Morning Nigeria Fitness World. Until next time, practice make perfect, no pain, no gain. Have a wonderful day as you follow me up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.